Good morning everyone. My name is Komal Ankush Kale. Today I will talk about the topic tissue. A tissue is a group of cells in close proximity organized to perform one or more specific function. There are four basic tissue types defined by their morphology and function: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue creates protective boundaries and is involved in the diffusion of ions and molecules. Connective tissue underlies and supports other tissue types. Muscle tissue contracts to initiate movement in the body. Nervous tissue transmits and integrates information through the central and peripheral nervous system. Epithelial tissue features high cellularity, special sensory receptors, form of barrier avascular innervated. Connective tissue structure, cell structure and immunological defense, energy reservation, extracellular matrix, ground substances, protein fibers, type of fibers, collagen, reticular, elastic. Classification: proper Eden's to embryonic mucus specialized. Epithelial tissue Epithelial tissue is a highly cellular tissue that overlays body surface, lines cavities and forms glands. In addition, specialized epithelial cells function as receptors for special senses: smell, taste, hearing and vision. Epithelial cells are numerous, exist in close opposition to each other and form specialized junction to create barrier between connective tissue and free surface. Free surface of the body include the outer surface of internal organs, lining of body cavities, exterior surface of the body, tubes and ducts. The extracellular matrix of epithelial tissue is minimum and lacks additional structure. Although epithelial tissue is avascular, it is innervated. Test what you already know about epithelial tissue with or cell surface. The cell of epithelial tissue have three types of surface differentiated by their location and functional specialization: basal, apical and lateral. Basal surface. The basal surface is the nearest to the basement membrane. The basement membrane itself creates a thin barrier between connective tissue and the most basal layer of epithelial cells. Specialized junction called as hematomesomes secure the epithelial cells on the basement membrane. Apical surface. The apical surface of an epithelial cell is the nearest to the lumen or free space. Apical cell surface may display specialized extension. Microvilli are small process projecting from the apical surface to increase surface area. They are heavily involved in diffusion in the proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron and in the lumen of the small intestine. Cilia are small processes found in the respiratory tract and the female reproductive tract. Their complex structure facilitates movement that brushes small structures through the lumen of either the trachea or fallopian tubes. Stercolia are similar to cilia in size and shape. However, they are immotile and more frequently found in the epithelium of the male reproductive tract, specifically in the ductus deferens and the epidermis. Tight junction from solid barrier to prevent movement of molecules between adjacent epithelial cells. Tight junctions are found in the simple columnar epithelium of the gut tube to regulate absorption of nutrients. Finally, gap junction perform the opposite function. Gap junction allows small molecule and structure to pass freely between cells. For example, gap junction in cardiac muscle tissue allow for coordinated contraction of the heart. Tissue structure. Two major characteristics of epithelial tissue divided into subclass: the shape of the cells and the presence of layers. Squamous cells are flattened, can be keratinized or non-keratinized, involved in protection and diffusion, found in capillary walls and skin. Cuboidal cells are cube-shaped, can be found forming tubes in nephrons of kidney, involved in secretion and absorption. Columnar cells are rectangular cilia, often present, involved in absorption, secretion, protection, and lubrication from their inner lining of the gut tube. Layers: simple one layer of cells, stratified two or more layers of cells, pseudo-stratified simple epithelia that appears to be stratified when viewed in cross-section, though they are only one layer of cells. Thank you.